Alright. Well, lately we have been nailing every move and every call on Bitcoin. I told you a couple days ago, if we are printing a red dot here on the daily, then we can see some further downsides, and we got it. And I also said yesterday, watch out for the 50-day EMA. We might close underneath. That is pretty bearish, might go much lower. Well, guess what? We got it. And also very locally, I gave you two trading setups. One was the short from here, take profit at the golden pocket. That was based on taking the liquidity from these tops. Well, we got that trade, and then I said you could also long here from the golden pocket to go higher. That is also something that we got. And I said in yesterday's video, please move your stop loss to entry. This is looking weak. We are losing the 50-day EMA, that fake blue line. Well, guess what? We got that too. So I hope that you made some money. I hope I protected you here and that you moved your stop loss to entry. Right now we are trading underneath. And yes, Bitcoin looks weak. Bitcoin looks like it wants to go lower. Currently at this price level where we are right now, approximately 62,000 and a bit, I'm not interested in any longs. I'm only interested in shorts because I think we are going lower. You know what, actually I'm going to take these two trades out. You got them from me, you got them for free, so I hope you made some money. There is actually one level that I like a lot, but to be honest with you, I don't know if we're going to get it. I'm also going to take this one out. There you go, and that is the golden pocket from this move here from the top to the downside higher. And then we have a naked point of control at 63,527, which exactly lines up with the golden pocket. So if we can push higher during New York, and then I see some bearish signs, for example, a bearish divergence that we see here on prices making a higher high, and the momentum waves are then making a lower high, I will take that trade. Or if I see some very aggressive price action, a retest and then lower, I will also take that trade. That would be a very nice short to get into. If we're not getting this level, so approximately 63,500 to 63,600, I might do something locally here because, as I said, it just looks very, very weak. Very slowly, we are grinding lower and lower and lower. If we do grind lower, there are only at this moment two trades that I'm interested in. And we are now looking at a Bitcoin on the 1 hour. One is a long here from the golden pocket. That was the golden pocket that we front run when we had a few of these crazy dumps here. It had to do with the bombing in Iran and Israel. And then we front run here the golden pocket, and this is also now where liquidity resides. So if we are going lower, finally taking out the liquidity here, and then I see something like bullish divergence, bullish CVD, I see market structure change on a small time frame, could be 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, I will try to long it. If we see a quick dip to the downside, just a quick wick and then higher, then I will also long it. That's a classic SFP. A much juicier level for me at least would be a long from this level, 57,500. That is long from the low that we once put in once we created a new all-time high after the previous bull run. Then we had this major drop right after, and that right here is then the low. The only way I would long this level, and this is very, very important, is if we go lower eventually, dip below and a quick reclaim. I do not want to spend a lot of time underneath. We could be 5 minutes, 15 minutes, maybe an hour, but actually the faster the better. So a quick dip below, then a reclaim, that is your long, stop loss underneath the low and move it to the upside. Why am I saying that? Well, if you are starting to close an hourly, 4 hour, or maybe even a daily candle underneath this level, it's looking even worse than it already is, because there is nothing underneath. There is nothing until this tiny bunch right here, approximately 53,000 to 52,000. That is then the next area where you're going to get to. And like I said, there is almost nothing in that area. So you do not want to lose 57,500. That is for now a key level. So very simple, very clean. Not looking for any longs unless we are taking out the liquidity into their golden pocket. Again, 58,000, let's say 58,750 to 59,500 ish. and if else, a quick move to the downside, a quick reclaim of 57,500, and that's it. Other than that, this is just very choppy area. I will try to short whatever I can. It will then be on a smaller time frame, like I said, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, to go above and to reach that 63,500 would be nice, but with the current market environments, I don't know if we're going to make it. So this needs to be something very locally. If that is a little bit too advanced for you, I would say wait it out, wait it out, wait it out. And I know I also already said it during the weekend, just wait it out, but price is just moving slowly. And trust me guys, this comes from experience. It is better to wait at those very good levels and not be in a trade for 1, 2, 3 days than to try to squeeze in a trade somewhere and then eventually getting chopped up. A little loss here, little loss there. Oh, I'm gonna try it again. Oh, I'm gonna long, gonna revenge trade. You are going to chop yourself up, and eventually you are going to lose money. So if you're not sure of the levels, or you're just the price is not hitting your levels yet, then just wait it out. Wait for those most macro levels. I'm giving you it here free on the channel. Then just wait for those levels, and I will update you on Twitter when I'm taking the trade. That'll be it for now. New York's gonna open anytime soon now. It's gonna be very interesting. If you like the content, then please do me a favor, like, subscribe, click on the bell, click on all so you don't miss anything. Leave me a comment, share this video with your friends if you think that's useful. And also feel free to follow me on Twitter and Instagram. Both those links you'll find in the description. And see you guys very soon again in the next one. Bye bye.